Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this tree here. It is the cashew tree. It's one of my favorite nuts. So I just, for fun of it, I just kept a sample of this tree here to see how it's gonna pan out, and honestly it's been good fun so far. So let's get going. The cashew tree. Many of us have eaten cashews for sure, but many of us might not have seen how a cashew tree looks like. So this is how it looks. It's not a very tall tree, but it spreads wide. So it's quite wide, branching out on all directions. As you can see, it's quite a nice, beautiful tree. These are the flowers. It's probably past the season for cashew. Let me see if there is some cashew fruit. There are a few cashew fruit which has fallen down, and maybe I'll take one of them to show. This is the cashew fruit. This is the fruit, and then you have the cashew at its end. This is the cashew which you kind of take out, roast it, and then you can kind of take out the nut which is present inside this here. The fruit can be eaten, but I don't want to try this because some animal has likely taken a bite off it, so I'm not very sure if it's super safe to eat it. There are a few others also which has fallen down. See, this is how it looks when there are a few animals on it as we speak. This is how it looks once the fruit is taken off. You can dry them up and roast them up. So that is the cashew tree. I love it. I love the tree. The good thing is, look at all these leaves which has fallen, which forms a nice mulch, and this kind of also helps bringing back organic matter and fertility to this laterite soil, which is super important for this type of soil. And you can see the difference between the barren land which I showed you in the previous episode and this. This is the beauty of having trees. They kind of create an ecosystem of organic matter and mulch and fertilizer of its own, which just helps the tree to grow with very little maintenance year after year. So yeah, so this is the tree I wanted to show today, the cashew nut. Before we wrap up today, I'd love to show you one of my bird feeders. It's a very simple pan where I fill the water every day. Let me see. Here's one of them. So you can see it's just a very simple plastic pan where I just fill the water for the birds. Let's move away a little bit to see if any birds would love to come here. That's it for the day. I think it has started a slight drizzle also, as you might be able to hear it now. Bye bye.